Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video from ZKTeco. Today I'm going to explain K40 Pro. It has an easy to use time attendance terminal with the access control functionalities. Now let's look into the key highlights of this device. This device has 2.8-inch TFT screen display, built-in battery, and it has TCP IP ports for Ethernet connections and USB ports as well. This device mainly supports for fingerprint authentication, password verification, and optional card verification. This device is also compatible with our software's web-based application called TimePro and cloud-based application BioTime Cloud 2.0 for seamless attendance management. Now let's see what's inside the box. If you open the box, you can find a quick user guide. Okay, then the device is nicely packed. Okay, this is a device K40 Pro. Along with the device, you can find a power adapter, 12-volt power adapter. Along with that, you can find toxes and screws for mounting purpose. Overall, K40 Pro is the best in class and must-have product for attendance and access control needs. Thank you for watching.